Hey guys, welcome back to the Miguel and Martin video, and today it's Martin here only, and today I'm going to show you how to make a broken Rubik to rebuild your Rubik's Cube that broke, like mine right here. I broke it so that I can show you. Okay, let's start! Okay, so the white one must be at the bottom. Okay, I'll show you. Shoot, 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 shoot. And shoot. Okay, so I'll show you. So you need to put the white one down, and then you may face to any color you want. But the most important, we need to make the white cross on building. So first thing we need to do is to grab the one which you're facing the color. And today I'll use the strategy on orange. And so on your broken ones, you need to find the orange one, which has the orange and white only. So the screen will turn dark so that, yeah, or not. So see you guys in a moment. And now I'm back. Now I have this thing. So in the other colors, you need to do the same thing. So now I'm facing blue. So I'm gonna find blue, which is right. So this might take a long time. I'm just noting you because I'm breaking it in accident. Okay, it's okay. Father won't scold you like me. Because last time my sister broke it and I blame her, my father didn't scold her. So yeah. So my sister's doing something now. And there, I found my blue one. And now I need to settle it on the ground. And when you land it, when you're holding right, it might break again and you might put it back. You need to put it back like what I'm doing. Okay, now you can see that now I'm gonna face you do the green one, just this, and you need the white and the green, and then put it below. Okay, this might get bad because it might break when you're putting. That's what happened to me on my first time of all. There, now I have together. Now the only one left is the red one. So I need to find the red. Not this one because it's got the yellow piece. I'll show you. There. And it'll be hard to find because there's a lot of the cubes are just the same. Yeah. Okay, so I found it. Needs the white and the red. So let's put this in carefully. Okay, there. We're done. Next up, we need to make the edges right here and at the back side. So we're doing on the front first, which is the red near the black and with the, near the blue and the green. So let's start. So This one is 1 because it has the three-sided tree. 1, 2, 3. So that's the white, blue, and red. We're gonna carefully put it in the right position and place it down. There. So we're done. And then the next one, we need to grab all the ones with grabbing those with this one triangular shape. That's usually one of my strategies. Okay, I grabbed all of them. So this one is not because there's a yellow, red, and blue, and it's already meant for this one. And this one will be for the back side. I'll just shift it there to the back side. Whoop. It's breaking, it's breaking. Alert. Okay, it broke when I was moving. Okay, there. Now I'm facing the back side, and now the red is the back side because I moved. And now we have the green, the orange. It looks yellow to you, but it's orange, and the white. So we're gonna carefully put it here. So don't put anyhow, you need to check, like what I'm doing. Drop that piece. Okay, there. Now, I found these parts, and now putting back on the on the red part. We're using this piece to go here. Go to the top, put it below. So now we have the T. That's good. Now the only one left is on the blue side. Eek, it's breaking a bit. Okay, so you need to find the ones. Don't be like, I need to search this so it'll be faster. I need to do it quick. Don't be like you're in a competition. Okay, so we need orange, which is usually like yellow, and blue. We're putting that right here. Okay, done. Now blue is our front face. Okay, now for the middle layer, we had to switch to these right here. The one with this. So for this, I have the green and orange, which is usually like yellow. And for the back side right here, and I'll show you. I'll try. There, it fits. Now we have one line right here. So you get me? Okay, don't mind, I've got scissors. Okay, so when you're fixing this Rubik's Cube, it's hard. So when I first tried it, when I put this, like pretend like this one is red and this one is white. That was my first time. When there, I was calling my sister, and then she's like, how did you do that? And then I just continue, which is best. So let's continue. We have the red and the blue. We put it right here. Okay. Put it right here. Push it down. And then, yeah. So make sure the yellow part up here is supposed to be straight. That's better. And now, for this one, which we have these two, yellow you need to put it up here. But I'll put the yellow ones at the sides. Okay, so these are all the yellow pieces. And these are the ones left. So the blue and orange, it'll be right here. So carefully put it again. Don't be in a hurry. Put it slowly. And there, we have the blue one ready. So now I'm going to face it to the red spot. And we have this one, which is the last thing for the middle one to be completed. So, putting it right there. And done. Now for the hardest part, the yellow part. So, my strategy is like doing what I did in the white part, make the yellow cross on building. Okay, should make it like that. And so I do have this piece, which is the green and yellow. You need to face it there. I'm gonna put that here, and then higher this up if you can. So, doing the yellow one is hard for me when I first tried it, but then it turned out great because I was able to fit. Okay, so you might have a problem like cannot fit. Just go to the back one, please, and push it down. Okay, so now I got the fixed one. And for the other yellow cross, I got orange, which is just beside. Do it. Okay, there. We have this part. Now for the other hard part is this part. Okay, so let's go right here. Put this here. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, so it might be pain because I'm forcing it down. Okay, now we have this part, just this side and this side, and the lastly part right here. So we need to do this if can, but if cannot, we will do my other way. So let's first complete this two first. Okay, find the yellow one, which is this two with the yellow one, the three-sided one goes to the edges. Okay, so this one, it looks like we had to put it here. And it fits. And the other one, it looks like we need to put it right here. There, it fits. So if you carry it, now it will break. So you may move this too. You want, but sometimes when you do that, it might break. So now for this part, that is the only remaining part. It's only with 3 pieces. Okay, so what I usually do is start from here, then this one, then to the last one, which is quite easy. So for this one, you do it for later, and for this one, let's start it. So you might do it either side. I will choose to go with this side. So you need to put it right here to the side. There, now you have it. And now for this part, let's put it up slowly. Slowly. Okay, so if cannot fit, don't just skip to this one or else it will be harder. Okay, so need a lot of force, and there, now you have it. So for this last piece, you just need to go for these parts and find it and squeeze it. Okay, so it might be hard, so we need to take a little time. So yeah, the better way is to face right on the orange side, widen them a bit, and then it'll be like voila! You guys completed it all. Okay, actually you do complete it all. So this takes hard work, so don't break your Rubik's Cube again, or else you need to rewatch my video and to do it. So bye! Martin getting off in the way.